What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use screen time in iOS 12. So screen time is a new feature in iOS 12 that allows you to see how much time you're spending on your phone, as well as control some of the apps that you're going to be using throughout the day. So let's go into settings, and if you scroll down right there, you will see under Do Not Disturb, you will see screen time. Now, see, here's a little overview of what I'm actually doing with my phone. You got the screen time. It shows you a breakdown, social networking, productivity, creativity, and so forth. I can click on the iPhone and it'll tell me exactly what I'm doing. So there you go. Exactly what I'm doing. Got the last 7 days right here. Got to tell you where I spend most of my time, which obviously is Snapchat. So if you look right here, you'll see where it says downtime. That'll allow you to schedule time away from the screen, which is pretty much something you can do if you want to go, maybe you have a certain time you go to the gym and you want to make sure you get off your phone, set this up during a certain time, or if you want to go to sleep, set it up at a certain time. You got app limits, set time limits for apps. So you can add a limit there. You see, that'll give me some different options and so forth, which I am not going to do. Apps allowed, which will give me certain apps that will be allowed. And the reason why that's allowed is during downtime, that would only allow you to use the apps that you have in that allow list. You got content and privacy restrictions. So this seems like something I can see a parent using a lot, just to limit when their kids are on their phones and what certain times they're going to be on their phone. You can set a screen time passcode. That way, they don't go in and change it, and share across all devices. In other words, it'll be on any device that you have your iCloud signed into, and then you can turn it off as well. So that's how you use screen time. Go through it and just kind of explore around the different options you can do. Again, this comes with iOS 12, so if you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more of how to Apple without the E.